You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation: Italian composer of music, classical music. By the way, if you want to learn how to pronounce the name of this composition that is an Hungarian dance, I've got a video for you need to watch next. Vittorio, so yeah, that's your Italian pronunciation here. Vittorio, you have double T, so stress on that T. Vittorio Monti, that's Italian pronunciation here. Vittorio Monti, violinist, mandolinist, or English pronunciation, Vittorio Monti. Vittorio Monti. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.